Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Magnific Agent that has just been released, and we are going to see how it is going to perform and how it is going to work. This is just a basic video. In future videos, we are going to learn how you can create your own agent with Magnific and how you can use MCP as well with the help of ChatGPT Claude. You can work in that only, so I'm going to show you that as well. But as soon as you log in into your Magnific account, you will find the agent tab here. You can directly click on the agent here, and you can see you get two agents right now, which is Magnific and which is Ad Creator. I have already created some things here, but I'm going to click on new chat. Right now we are going to use the Magnific agent, but Magnific has also provided with us a new agent which is called Ad Creator. So maybe we are going to look at that in some other video. But right now we are going to work on a spec headphones which are going to be transparent and futuristic with RGB lighting and premium finish, and we need to create like Instagram post and Facebook post to promote this headphones. So let's just start here. I have written here, let's create a social media campaign for Facebook and Instagram social media post for a photoreal futuristic transparent headphones for gaming with RGB lighting and premium finish. Let's first create a sheet for headphones on how it looks from all angles. So what this will do, this will create from all the angles our headphones. So after that we can create some really amazing posts for our Instagram and Facebook as well. So this is how the client also works. So if you are creating some social media post for a client of any products, you can follow the same workflow. You can directly upload the images from all the angles and create a sheet and upload it, or you can create it from scratch if you are working on a new product. So it's up to you. If you want to upload the sheets, you can directly click on upload file and you can upload. I am going to create a spec ad, so I'm not going to upload anything. Then you have this button, agent settings. So in agent settings, you have two options, unlimited. So I have a unlimited mode on. So wherever it is going to use the model which is unlimited, it is not going to charge me. And the second one is automatic mode. So if you turn this on, it is not going to ask for your approval and it's just going to keep on using it. So if you are new to my channel, you don't know, but if you are an existing subscribers, you know that I have also showed this method in supercomputer by higgsfield AI. So here we are going to make sure that automatic mode is turned off so we can save the credits. So after approving only, it is going to create. Here you can see the create option and brainstorm option. So it is going to create directly and brainstorm is going to brainstorm here. So let's just start with the brainstorm here. And you can also click on allow. So let's say if you are working on another thing, you can click on allow, and once this is done, it is going to give you a notification. So right now I'm going to allow this out, and you can see here I have got this. Now this is the thing here guys, it is not giving me in English, so I basically just turn on the translation here and just wait for a bit. So to begin working on a campaign for this futuristic headphones and Premiere, the first step you need to propose is excellent designing a character sheet or product. Okay, since we are in brainstorm mode, before we can generate the reference and begin the visual creation phase, we need to change the chat settings. Do you want me to switch to run mode to start generating? And I will just type yes. So you can see it converted this to a creation mode, and it is going to create what we say execution mode, and it is going to create a model sheet. So you can see here, before we proceed, would you prefer us to apply any particular RGB lighting, aesthetic or color like cyberpunk, neon, violet, blue tones? So I think we are going to go with this minimalistic white palette with subtle lights. So let's just right click and copy this, and we are going to just paste this out, and let's just press enter. And now again Magnific is going to run in the background, and it is going to ask me that okay, this is going to create 1K with flux dev model, and you can approve or you can cancel it. It depends on to you. Now let's say you want it to use Nano Banana Pro model, you can just click on cancel here, and again it is going to create here a text here, understood, I have canceled the productions, let me know if you like to make any change. So I'm going to type here, I need you to use Nano Banana 2 for image creation, and let's just press enter. So now you can see it's going to use Google Nano Banana 2 1K resolution. So again, you can also go up for 4K resolution as well. But right now I'm going to go for 1K, and I'm going to click on approve now. Once you approve it, it is going to write the prompt automatic by itself, and it is going to create a 1:1 image of the headphone sheets. And you can see here it has written that the image is being processed and will appear right here as soon as it's ready, so we can evaluate it and decide on the next steps. So let's just wait for a bit. I will be back once the image is done. So now you can see the image is being done, and if I click on the image, you can see this is looking really good. You can see the details of the materials and all the stuff. So this is looking nice. Now let's just create things here. So I'm going to type here. Now let's move on to creating one Instagram post of a gamer wearing this headphones, one where the headphones are sitting on a gaming gaming table, and one where we are promoting it to buy it on, let's say, 30% discount. So we total need 3 posts, and I'm going to type use Nano Banana 2 for image creation and 2K resolution. So let's just see if it is going to take that 2K resolution or not. Let's just wait here and let's just see if it is going to create 3 images for us or not. And you can see, we can see here one gamer wire wearing headphones, second one is product on gaming table, and third one is promo 30% discount. So let's just click on approve here, and now it is going to start creating the image here, and it is going to start with the post 1, and it is going to ask here, yeah, you can see we are going for 2K resolution for Google Nano Banana 2. So that's a really good thing. I'm going to click on approve. Once the first image is going to be generated, it is going to ask you that this is generated. Do you want to need any changes or not, or you can write it directly as well. Once that is done, you can go for post 2 and then for post 3. So once the image is generated, I'm going to be back. Now you can see the image is generated here. So I'm going to click here, and you can see, yeah, we are having this headphones and it is looking really good here. And you can see Ether 1 which is written over here. So we can definitely remove this, but this is looking really good. And let's just start with the post 2 as well. So let's just write here post 2 and let's just press enter. And you can see it has moved to post 2 here, and let's just click on approve, and it is working on the second image. And parallelly you can write it here as well, post 3 as well, and it is going to generate the post 3 as well. So it totally depends on to you. So let's just write post 3, and you can see it's now going to queue the message here. And once this is going to be done, this is going to be started creating. Because I am on an unlimited plan, it is not going to use any credits, but if you are on a limited plan, it is going to render much faster. So I can just turn off that here as well if I want, but I'm not going to do that. So I will be back once this 2 images are also generated. Now you can see the images are generated here. You can see this is the first image that we did. This is the second image here that we got. You can see this is looking really nice. The details here are also good, and you can see the consistency is really good because we created this character sheet, if you remember here. Due to this, we are getting some really good details in the close-ups as well. And this is the third version. I don't like the text here. You can say it's not looking that good, but yeah, the background and overall things are really good. So what I can do, I can just remove the text to go into Photoshop and do the things here. And you can also go to Pinterest as well if you want. You can directly go to Pinterest here, and you can search here for headphones as well. So let's just search for headphones advertisement, and we can also provide the reference as well. So you can see here as well. So we can create something like this for our product as well. It totally depends on what you want to do here. So let's just have one thing here, and let's just find a really good thing, and let's just type here headphones advertisement gaming, and let's just press enter here. So now you can see we have this references here that we have got for gaming, and let's just have one here which I like here as well, this one. This is for our shoes ROG, but we can definitely use this as well for our product. And let's just right click and copy the image. We can directly go here, we can paste it here, and I can just ask here, I have uploaded the reference image. I want you to create something like that, but with our headphones. And you can decide the details. Use Nano Banana 2 and 2K resolution. Make sure you follow the theme of headphones, and let's just press enter. Now it is going to think again that I have attached the image here, and it is going to study that reference image, and it is going to generate a prompt and create a new image with the help of that reference image. So this is a really good thing. You don't need to think of the prompts here, and this is going to be really good here. And you can see, to proceed with the generation of this post 3, we will use the image of the headphone model that we have the reference, to ensure that the before generating the 2K quality video, we need to confirm. Okay, it is going to create a video, but I'm going to write here, I want to generate image, not video. So let's just press enter, and this is pretty new here. I have written here that I want a image here, but it has not generated, but now it is going to work. So let's just click on approve, and it is going to generate that image here, and I think it is going to do a good job here. Let's just see here. Yeah, it's using this reference here for our headphones, but I'm not sure that this is going to look that good, because here I can see only one reference, which is this image. I don't see the reference of this product. As you can see here, it's using the reference here, but it has not been using the reference here for the post 3. So I'm not sure if it is going to get the result. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's just wait, and I'm going to be back once this is done. So yeah, this is done, and it has created the Shoes ROG transparent headphones. So yeah, it's not that much good right now at understanding. We need to iterate it more, but these headphones are looking really good actually, and we can definitely use this to create like a transparent ROG series headphones or something like that. But you got my point. Basically, you can write here again that I want to create headphones advertisement for this Aether one that we have created, and not for ROG. So you can tell the agent, and it is going to iterate it out for you guys. So this is how you can use the Magnific agent, and I have used it before as well. Let me show you one thing that I have done here. Uh, so I've done for the same thing, the headphones, but for the metal series. So you can see here, this is the same thing, but I have gone for the metal series here. So I have experimented with that as well before showing it to you guys, and you can see the consistency remains really good here. and the results are really good. And I also tried it with an advertisement agent that they have given. So I tried to create a ad for a futuristic car that is going to be launched on Mars colony. So you can see the Mars colony. Yeah, it has generated, but it has not generated like a 20-second ad. So you can see here it has written 20-second, but I haven't got a 20-second ad. Instead, I got only 12-second ads, as you can see here. You can see it has used a 480p quality here, but you can see the ad is only basically like 12 seconds. So maybe they are going to update this out. Let's just wait. And I'm also going to play with the agent here, so we can create a new agent here. So I'm going to play with this, and once I get some good results, I can show you guys as well that how you can work with your own agents as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have learned something new about Magnific Agent. And I'm going to also create one more video, maybe in the next video or maybe after that, on how you can use Halo AI agent as well. I have shown you higgsfield, I have now shown you Magnific, and I'm now going to show you Halo AI agent as well. So stay tuned for that as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please press that like button. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn more in AI, and I'm going to try my best to create that video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. I'm going to soon start with my mastery AI course as well, because I have released 2 videos in that course. I'm going to release further more videos as well. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.